Code Red!
Hi, my name is Beza. I'm project leader here at Code Red, and I will be working mainly on the back end of our project. So one of the major recurring issues in healthcare is patient readmittance. According to the Agency of Healthcare Research and Quality, hospitals spend about $41.3 billion to treat readmitted patients between January and November of 2011. Besides saving money and time for both hospitals and patients, our app aims to prevent unnecessary hospital visits. So we are designing this a web app that will be able to predict accurately if a patient will be readmitted to a hospital within 30 days or not. And to do this, we're gonna use machine learning to train a model. Several thousands of patients that have been readmitted. Our app, Wabi, will also let users know how accurate this prediction is or how good it is. Intended users for this app are medical professionals, so anyone like doctors, nurses can use it. However, there also are competition because they can read the details. They could and a person's medical history and analyze the risks, and so they could quickly they'll be able to tell if a patient will be readmitted or not. But since there's oversight by doctors, our app could maybe save time. Next sections we'll be talking about how we planned and scheduled our project.
How y'all doing? I'm Jimmy, back-end developer for Code Red. I talked to y'all about planning and scheduling. So essentially we have 5 tasks, and that might sound like it's not a lot, but each task goes over the duration of a couple weeks. The first task is research usable data. That'll be for all members because the app we're doing is like a medical readmissions app, so we're gonna need as much data as we can. And that doesn't have any dependencies. The second task is creating web pages. We're gonna need 7 web pages, and that'll be up to Donnie and Tiffany, who are the front-end developers. Also doesn't have any dependencies. The third task, creating databases, will be up to Beza and Setundo, and that should only take 3 days. Also, no dependencies. And the fourth task, connecting web pages to databases, that'll be done by Beza, myself, and Setundo. Also taking a week, and that does depend on task T2 and T3 to be completed first. And the final task will be training the model for our data, so that way we can actually present a message to the user that, what's the rate that somebody will be readmitted. And we're estimating that'll take 3 weeks, and that's only really relying on us getting usable data, so T1. Other than that, that's pretty much covers all the planning and scheduling.
Hey guys, I'm Tiffany here at Code Red, and I'll be discussing some of the challenges and risks that we have. So one of the single most serious challenges we're foreseeing is finding suitable and sufficient data of several thousands of patients' information. Another challenge that we're facing is using machine learning to train a model that accurately predict readmission based on patient data we've given. Also, we plan on minimizing these risks by using some of the following methods. We plan on designing and implementing schedules for all the members involved and making it available for everyone to see. Now, we also plan on performing an appropriate amount of research on patient readmittance data we want. And lastly, we're going to come up with alternative project ideas that are closely related to our current project, so we can easily change our app requirements. All right, thank you guys.
Hi, my name is Donnie. I'm here to explain the system requirements and architecture of our program. The user is interacting with the web interface, which prompts them to log in, and from there they can access the patient's information. The interface is connected to a model that is trained based off of the patient's information.
Hello guys, I'm Setundo, and I'm a back-end programmer here at Code Red. Today I'm going to tell you guys about the user requirements and use cases of our project Wabi. The project should let users log in using a username and a password, and should also allow people to register for the program. The software should also be able to accept patient information and update it and store it and allow the user to get access to that information. It should also be able to actually predict possibility of readmittance in percentages and tell the user the prediction and the reasons behind that prediction. And that's pretty much it.